I don't know what's going on.
All right, so we're gonna play a game. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, McKinley and Serenity get to pick what they want to eat, but they can do it only using gestures. No talking, no writing, no spelling it out,
And no pointing.
no pointing, okay? If you talk while picking what you want, or if you talk before both of you get food, then you have to eat what I pick. Are you playing? No. All right, so starting now, there's no talking. So who's gonna go first to get their lunch? All right, McKinley's gonna go first. All right, so we have to figure out where she wants to go, what direction we're going. So let's get out of where we are first. Here you go, this is on you now. She's gonna eat a churro.
Taco Bell.
All right, so she's singing Taco Bell. What do you want from Taco Bell? Do you know what you want from Taco Bell? All right, Serenity, where are we going for you? Can't even see what's happening. There's a jumpy place.
Hug, cheer,
They give you hugs.
love, hold.
You don't know.
Happy Meal.
There's a happy. Let's try again. Wipe it clean, wipe it clean. All right.
You want
A.
jump,
A patty.
cheer, clap.
Serenity.
So we're playing charades. That's what
Happy.
we're doing for lunch.
Oh, I don't know which way to go.
Up.
Go to any of these places. You.
Whatever you're doing is not working because I have no idea what you
Love.
want.
No. Which way do we go to get out of here?
Left.
Okay. I don't know
You.
what's happening.
Fall.
All right, we're gonna have to
Back. I don't know.
think about it. We're gonna go get McKinley's first. We're back at it again. Serenity, what do you want for lunch? Yourself? You like to hop? I hop? I hop? How are we gonna beat one Taco Bell and one IHOP? Hold on. Alright, so she's rounding something up. She's got a tornado coming. There's a tornado coming? There's a tornado coming. No. No tornado. A circle of life. She's gonna eat. Eat your food. She's getting real aggressive now. She's crazy. See? Crazy. A circle. Pancake. Waffle. She's still crazy. Making a tornado. He's crazy. Okay. She's spinning something. She's eating and spinning. She's not gonna do that because that's not allowed at the dinner table. Now she's happy. Now I'm crazy. When we leave, when we wrap it up, we're gonna eat it to go. We're gonna get our food and take it to go. No. Still crazy. She's just wants the world to know. She's crazy. Okay, she's got crayons. A red, a blue, orange. Go Gators. She's tapping. I don't know Morse code. I didn't know she knew it either. You can't spell anything. What's happening over here? Now we're playing Hangman. H. That's a light bulb. A tree. A red and what? She wants to do a circle around the block and not get any red lights.
Decorate the tree.
She wants us to be crazy. Now she's hitting herself.
Clean up the house.
There you go. She's gonna cry and clean the house. Do you know what she's trying to say? No. Okay. She's crazy. We're gonna make a circle. We're gonna leave to the house. Okay. We're gonna leave to
Decorate
the house. We're all gonna get in the car. Apparently our house is now a pyramid with a tornado on top. Now she's hitting me. She's got something to say. Apparently not. Ow, ow. We're all gonna go in a circle.
To where?
We're all going in a circle when we leave. We're gonna run real fast because the tornado's coming.
I don't want to run from a tornado.
What? The four of us are gonna go to the pyramid,
Take
to
the
the
tree
house.
out.
to the tree.
You're using your mouth. No mouth. So I'm figuring
Then
stuff
she's
out.
gonna do something with the tree. You get a tree?
Who gets a tree?
You want a tree. You want a tornado on top of a tree. I don't think you should put a... Oh, is that... Now we're gonna pray for baby Jesus. 'Cause I think that's what that means. We're making love.
I don't know what's going on.
We're making a heart. And then we're gonna go crazy when we leave. Okay, when we wrap it up here and we leave. Yes. Sirens are gonna go off? Oh wait, okay, now we got something else. The four of us.
4 to-go cups. The 4 of us.
The four of us are going to leave and we're going to be full of food. You love the world? That's so nice. When we leave here, we're going to give everyone, we're going to get close together. We're going to get close together. Now there's 3 of us. Oh, wait, the 4th is back. Now there's only 3 of us. She's on her own. Okay, the 4 of our drinks are going to leave with us in the tornado. The 4 of us. Okay? We're going to walk to the house. We're not going to walk to the house. We're going to drive to the house. Then we're going to spin in circles in the driveway. Circle, 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 circle.
Dot, dot, did you get the cootie check?
We're eating right now. Why would we eat at home?
What are we doing so much eating for?
We've been on a boat. Okay, okay. We're going to have a tree. A pyramid. Our pyramid house. We now live in that casino hotel in Vegas.
We're going to Vegas?
She's gonna eat ice cream. We left that on the boat.
No more ice cream?
At home, we're gonna eat cereal,
Roast marshmallows?
gingerbread. We gotta go get cookies. That is not at all what she was trying to say. I just brought myself some more stuff to do, apparently. Never mind. She's done.
She's got to rethink life, how she's going to communicate.
I like how when she doesn't get to talk, all of a sudden she doesn't want for anything.